Hey everyone, welcome back to Hello English Podcast. I'm Helen. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our cozy English chats.
And I'm John. Today's topic is food. Honest warning, you might get hungry while listening.
Food is the easiest small talk in any country. If you can talk about what you like, where you eat, and what you cook, your English becomes social fast.
Exactly. And instead of only saying, I like, we've got lots of natural alternatives you can use today.
Right. Say, I'm really into, I'm a big fan of, I can't get enough of, I'm obsessed with.
If you love it a lot, I'm crazy about. I could eat this every day. This is my guilty pleasure.
For a polite no, it's not my thing. I'm not a big fan of. It's not really my cup of tea.
And neutral, it's okay. I don't mind it. It's growing on me.
Okay, John, what are you really into these days?
Sushi. I can't get enough of it.
Same here. And if someone tells you their favorite, react naturally. No way! Seriously? Nice! Awesome! Sounds good.
Those little reactions keep the conversation alive.
Speaking of keeping things alive, let's describe how food tastes, smells, and feels. It's not just good or bad.
For taste, try sweet, salty, sour, bitter, spicy, mild, tangy, savory, rich, buttery, smoky.
For texture, crunchy, crispy, chewy, tender, soft. Fluffy, creamy, silky, juicy, gooey.
And aroma or feel, fragrant, aromatic, garlicky, herby, fresh, zesty, refreshing, comforting, hearty.
Put them together, this soup is creamy and comforting. These fries are perfectly crispy. The curry is spicy but addictive.
For big compliments, it's to die for. Out of this world. Next level. Mind-blowingly good.
You know what? This already sounds like a world tour. Which cuisine would you start with if a friend asks, what's your go-to cuisine?
If I want comfort, Italian. You can't go wrong with pasta, pizza, olive oil, and an espresso to finish.
Fair. For me, Japanese. Fresh, balanced, beautiful.
And if we add Thai, bright and vibrant, Mexican, bold and fun.
A nice diplomatic answer is, it really depends on my mood. I'm open to trying new things.
Also helpful when you disagree politely. Fair enough, but I'd say, actually, I see your point, still.
Okay, now imagine we're at a restaurant. What do we say first?
Start simple. Could we get the menu, please? What do you recommend? What's popular here? What's the house specialty?
When you order, I'll have the, can I get the, could I try the, I'd like the.
Choosing between items? I'm torn between the salmon and the steak. Which one is lighter? Which one's spicier?
Dietary needs. Is this vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free? Any nut-free options? Can I get it without onions?
Spiciness and extras? How spicy is it? Mild, medium, spicy, please. Extra sauce on the side?
Drinks. Still or sparkling? Tap water's fine, thanks. Could I get a refill?
Paying. Could we have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Could you split the bill?
Complimenting. Please tell the chef it was fantastic. Everything was delicious. Before dessert, quick cafe English, because we all end up at a cafe.
Ordering coffee. Can I get a latte to go? Oat milk, please? No sugar? Extra shot? Decaf.
Bakery. I'll take a croissant. What's fresh today? Do you have anything gluten-free?
Seating and Wi-Fi? Is there a table available? Do you have Wi-Fi? What's the password?
And a friendly line to the barista. Smells amazing in here. Of course, Not all amazing food is in restaurants. Some of the best is on the street.
Markets are perfect for conversation. Ask, what's this called? How is it usually served? Is it popular locally?
If you're sharing, is this for one or to share? Can we get a sampler? Let's split it.
Paying. How much is it? Do you take card? Keep the change.
Quick reactions while eating. So good. That hits the spot. I could eat this all day.
Mmm. And at home, basic cooking verbs help you tell a story.
Verbs: chop, slice, grate, whisk, stir, simmer, boil, bake, roast, grill, fry, season, marinate.
Tools: pan, pot, oven, spatula, whisk, cutting board, grater, colander.
Flavor builders: garlic, onion, ginger, herbs, citrus zest, soy sauce, chili flakes, olive oil.
Natural frames are, I usually start with, I like to keep it simple, I eyeball the measurements, I go heavy on the garlic.
Results: it turned out great. A bit overcooked but tasty, nice and tender.
If you're hosting, make yourself at home. Help yourself. Seconds? Save room for dessert.
Sometimes things go wrong at a restaurant. You can fix it kindly without stress.
Soft complaints. Sorry, I think this is a bit undercooked. This is a bit too salty for me. I actually ordered the chicken.
Simple requests. Could you heat it up a little bit? Could I get it without cheese? A fresh set of cutlery, please.
And gratitude. Thanks for fixing it. Really appreciate your help.
Calm phrases if the staff apologizes. No worries. All good. Thanks for checking. Talking about health choices is also common now.
Positive and clear. I'm trying to eat cleaner. I'm cutting down on sugar. I'm going plant-based this month.
Allergies or intolerance. I'm allergic to nuts. I'm lactose intolerant. Gluten doesn't sit well with me.
Lighter swaps. Can I swap fries for a salad? Dressing on the side, please?
Encouraging reactions. That sounds lighter. That's a great alternative.
Mmm.
And sometimes the best plan is no cooking.
Take out and delivery language. Do you deliver to this address? What's the ETA? Contactless delivery, please.
Packaging. No plastic cutlery, thanks. Extra napkins, please.
Leftovers. Could I get a to-go box? I'll save the rest for later.
Reheat tips you can say to a friend. Microwave it for 2 minutes. Low heat on the stove. Let's make it practical with a mini role play. Imagine we're deciding and ordering together.
Okay, what are you getting?
I'm torn between the grilled salmon and the veggie bowl. What do you recommend?
The salmon is a house specialty, zesty and super fresh.
Perfect. I'll have the salmon. Could I get it mild?
Sure, I'll get the veggie bowl. Dressing on the side, please.
Still or sparkling?
Tap water is fine, thanks.
Could we split the bill later?
Works for me. Sounds good. After we eat, could we have the bill, please? Can I pay by card?
And the compliment, please tell the chef it was fantastic.
Mmm.
If there's a mix-up, keep it kind.
Sorry, I think I ordered the pasta, not the risotto. My mistake. I'll fix that right away.
Thanks so much. No worries.
Here you go. Pasta, fresh and hot.
Amazing. Everything is to die for.
Mmm.
Food is culture. In English, we even say gather around the table, break bread together, because eating is connection.
And food idioms make your English fun. Food for thought, sweet tooth, tough cookie, salt of the earth, piece of cake, spill the beans.
Ask people, what's your comfort food? What reminds you of home? Best food memory?
Those questions open great stories. When I was a kid, back home my grandma always...
My grandma's pancakes. Saturday morning magic.
My comfort food is soup. Any homemade soup feels like a hug.
Quick, Travel safety English, simple but useful. Is the water safe to drink? Is the ice filtered? Is this cooked to order?
Sensitive stomach lines. My stomach is sensitive. Nothing too spicy for me. Something simple, please.
And gratitude to your travel buddy. Thanks for looking out for me. Let's do a rapid phrase workout. Repeat these later with us. I'm really into. I'm a big fan of.
It's not my thing. Not really my cup of tea.
I'm torn between A and B.
What do you recommend? How's specialty?
Mild, medium, spicy, please.
Tap water is fine, thanks.
Could we split the bill?
It's to die for. This hits the spot.
Could I get a to-go box?
Please tell the chef it was fantastic.
I could eat this all day.
I'm cutting down on sugar.
Any nut-free options?
I'm not a big fan of spicy food.
Let's split it.
No worries.
All good.
That works.
Sounds good.
Chef's kiss.
Before we wrap up, favorite dessert?
Chocolate mousse. I could eat that every day.
Cheesecake for me. Out of this world.
And your best street food?
Tacos. Falafel.
We should not record hungry.
Agreed. Food is language you can taste. With these phrases, you'll sound natural in any cafe, market, or fancy restaurant.
If today's chat gave you food for thought, try 2 new phrases at dinner tonight.
And if this episode made you hungry or helped your English, please give us a like. It really supports the show.
And don't forget to subscribe for more cozy, real-life English.
See you next time. Save me a slice of cheesecake.
Only if I get extra chocolate mousse.